Good afternoon, good evening here in US, and good morning to the Philippines. Good morning Philippines. We are done working here. Here to take up all the stones, yeah, that beside the house. Yep, we're done. I used this one, I tried to pick all that stones and put that back. Yeah, see that lilac tree, I put the stone there. Yeah, all done today. And here on the other side in the pine tree, I put also there. So this cannot be seen. Oh, move there. Here it's evening here now. It's have a sunset. See that's all work. See, I put already all the stones. See, enough the stone that I took off today. So it make rounds to the lilac and the pine tree. See, and that's our sunset. See, it's evening already. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, it's a sunset. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all.